to install the upper control arms, first thing we're going to do are put on the ball joints. To install the ball joint, what we're going to do is lay it on and put these 3 bolts through. And once they're all through, we're going to put the lock washer and bolt on. And tighten them all down. And as the final thing, we're going to put the oiler on. And it looks like the boot popped out while I was doing that. So I guess I have to go put it all back on. Great. Well, it also looks like, here, I'll give you a closer look. It looks like the ball joint is on top of the weld. But since we're just mocking this up, we're just gonna leave it. Anyway, since this one is done, I'm gonna go put together the other one. Alright, I got both the ball joints on now, so let's put them on the car. Let's put some bolts through the holes, line it up with the ones on the car, push it through, and tighten it up on the other side with some lock washers. And that's it, besides going and throwing a spindle on it. Alright. Well, that's all finished. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. Anyway, we'll see you next time.